Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. If you have a little one in your life who you have to trim their fingernails, you know what a harrowing experience that can be. Well, I'm about to make that so much easier for you by telling you what I love about this nail file from Olababy. So this is a rechargeable nail trimmer that uses rotating filing pads to file the baby's nails. There's nothing sharp on it, so you don't have to worry about cutting, and there's no damage to the surrounding skin. It's so gentle, the baby doesn't mind, but if you needed to use it at night, maybe while your baby is sleeping, it even comes with an LED light to make it easier for you to see. There are 3 grades of filing pads included that are appropriate for each age group. So starting from 0 to 6 months, and then there's one for 6 to 12 months, and then one for 12 months and older. So this remarkable rechargeable nail trimmer is going to grow with your baby. It even comes in a little carrying case and a cord to recharge it. That's easy to throw in your diaper bag or store in a drawer in the nursery. You'll always have it on hand. You'll be able to trim your baby's nails without worrying about hurting them. And even your baby's toenails. We tried it on both fingers and toes. It works great. So do yourself a favor and make something like trimming your little one's nails so much easier. You will not be disappointed, and that is my point of view.